Here is one semi-complex algebra problem solved step by step. Problem: solve the equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. For the equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0, we have a equals 2, b equals minus 7, c equals 3. Substitute into the formula x equals minus open bracket minus 7 close bracket plus or minus square root of open bracket minus 7 close bracket squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 all divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Simplify x equals 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24 divided by 4. X equals 7 plus or minus square root of 25 divided by 4. X equals 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 4. Now calculate both values. First solution, x equals 7 plus 5 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Second solution, x equals 7 minus 5 divided by 4 equals 2 divided by 4 equals 1/2. Final answer, x equals 3 or x equals 1/2.